In this Hippo review, I'm going to walk you through the software. I'm going to show you everything you need to know step by step. So what is actually Hippo Video? Hippo Video is a video customer experience platform that help you lead your sales, marketing and support effort. You can automate your video sequence, humanize your communication and track video with real-time analysis. You can also use video across your sales funnel from prospecting to contract walkthrough right from your favorite sales tool. So who's actually suitable for Hippo Video? Hippo Video is suitable for sales team, marketer and support team looking to improve relationship with prospect and customer through video itself. So without wasting much time, let me walk through Hippo Video right now. So what you're actually looking at is actually the interface of the Hippo Video. Okay, so this page is actually a getting started page where you can actually see some quick access over here. Okay, then on the left there's actually tons of navigations which I'm going to go through right now. Okay, so for this home you can actually have the getting started and also your dashboard and then your library as well. Your library consists of video documents, sales page, Tele Prompter, scripts and template builder. And then moving down, it's a context itself for people and prospecting video emails. And then moving downwards is actually your campaign, your testimonial, your user management, and then your setting as well. Okay, so I will go through all the navigation later on, okay, step by step. So for the very first thing you need to do is to create your first video first. Okay, so for creating your video, it's very easy. You can actually see the button on the right. Just click on this. So there's actually tons of things which you can actually create. You can actually record a video using camera, screen plus camera, screen only. You can actually import your video or create video from image. And then there's some sales assets and some template builder, which I'm going to go through as well. Alright. So for this recording video, I'm going to use screen only because I actually try screen and camera, but my camera is actually using right now and I do not have a second camera. So I will just proceed to use screen only over here. Okay, so I'll just click into this. But before I click start recording, there's some advanced option over here which I'm going to show you. Okay, so there's actually, you can achieve some advanced options where you can actually record screen audio, show markup tools. You can actually choose your video resolution. Okay, I'm going to go back to the screen itself. I'm going to show you how is it like when you have screen and camera also for this advanced option. Okay, for advanced options, for you can actually make my webcam visible while recording, record system audio, show markup tools, mirror webcam videos. You can actually position your webcam shapes, your positions, webcam size, aspect ratio, and video resolutions as well. Okay, this is actually for voice and webcam itself. So this is the advanced option available if let's say you're using webcams. Okay, so for now I'm going to press start recording and then while it's going to load now. And then give it a while. So right now you can actually choose what you want to share, either entire screen or actually the window screen itself. So for this demo, I'm going to choose the entire share. And then they're actually getting ready. Okay, then you can actually see a stop sharing, or you can actually hide this part as well. Okay, so right now your recording is in progress. You can actually see the stop button here and then the pause also here. Okay, so on the bottom you can actually see some tools over here where you can actually pause, you can actually stop the video, and this is actually the click animation. Right now you have some click animation. You can actually see the animation. If you do not want this animation, you just click one thumb and then the animation is gone. Okay, and then you can actually do some drawing as well over here. You can actually highlight this here. You can choose different color. You can actually maybe highlight this particular line or sentence, or you can actually circle them, whichever you want. Okay, then they also have this darken out. It's like a torchlight where you can actually press into certain words or things like that. Okay, so alright, this is actually the eraser. You can actually erase certain parts of the words you actually draw earlier on, and you can actually reset everything, or you can actually minimize this toolbar over here. Okay, so we bring it back by clicking these three buttons over here. Okay, so once you are done, you can actually stop sharing, then you can stop your screen, and then this is how you actually record. Alright, this is actually the editing platform. This is the video we took, 1 minute and 80 seconds. If you want to retake a video, just click into here, then you can actually retake your video. Okay, so for this title, I will put in demo 1, and then you can put in your description. It's actually saved under your folder. You can actually add a tag over here. Okay, so there's actually some sales page as well. So let me just show it to you, the sales page as well. Okay, so you can actually change the sales page right after this. So you can actually preview the sales page. You can actually see how it looks like. Okay, let's give it a while. So this is actually the sales page right now. You can actually see your name over here, the position, the email address, your number, and some social share. And this is actually the title which you put in earlier on, and then your video which you took earlier on. Or you can actually reply with your video or schedule a demo. Okay, this is actually what your client is going to see, and this is actually a preview mode itself. You can actually change your sales page over here as well. You can actually see different type of template. Okay, you can actually preview the template, or you can actually choose this, and then you can save. Then let me preview it. You can see another type of different templates over here as well. So right out of this is actually a different color. So you can actually have social share, and then you can actually go straight to your company website. This is actually the second template. Right now I'm going to show you another one. You can just press edit over here and preview the second template. Just save, and then you preview. Okay, so this is a third template where you actually have your social share, your email address, and your telephone number, and then your video title. Different template for sales template itself. Okay, so let me show you again. Okay, the only difference is the color and the top part right here. Okay, this is actually in greenish color, social share, and then you go to your company website. Or this one will display your name, your position, email address, mobile number, and some social share as well. Okay, so this is actually the 3 template which you can actually edit right in this template, or the navigations over here as well. Okay, under the sales page. So right after this, you can actually also having your thumbnail as well. Okay, so you can actually add your thumbnail. You can actually personalize your thumbnail as well. So all these things can be personalized. I think over here you can actually edit and personalize as well. You can actually do quick edit or pro edit. I'm going to show you both of them, either quick edit. Okay, just click on this, and then this is actually a quick edit where you can actually add in you can actually trim the video, crop the video, text, image, write in emoji, do a call out. You can actually blur certain parts, or you can actually resize it. Okay, so this is actually a very basic editor. So let me just cancel editor and go through the pro editor itself. Okay, so the pro editor, you actually have more things as well. So just hold on. What you actually see is actually the pro editor, where you actually have the all the tool functions over here. You can actually see your video over here. You can actually import your video clip. You can actually do editing as well. So you can actually see the select. You can actually clip cutter, crop your video, add text, add emoji, tools, and then you can actually select video, image, clip to add effects. You can add image. You can actually record your audio. You can actually record your video, or you can actually do some text to speech, which I'm going to show it to you now. So let me show you the text to speech itself. Let me just add in some simple scripts. Okay, so you can actually see there's actually tons of text to speech, as well as female, male, Italy, and Spanish as well. Okay, so right now I'm going to preview it. Let's show it to you now.
Hi, how are you?
It's actually pretty good as well. Okay, let me try this for male too.
Hi, how are you?
So it's actually pretty good, you know, for this text to speech. Okay, it's actually pretty decent as well. Okay, so you can actually play around with this. This is actually the advanced editor as well. Okay, so if you have any question, you can actually click into here. So they actually show you how the pro edit works. Okay, for this, I'll just cancel this, and then I'll just quit. So beside all these options, there's also tons of things which over here, right at the bottom, you actually see some reports. Okay, so you can actually put video call to action as well. You can actually in video meeting links. Okay, you can actually put in video meeting links over here. You can actually put a links. You can put your name here, your full name. See, you can put your destination. Okay, or you can put a button also here. Click. You can put click here. So all these are the things which you can actually do as well. Okay, so moving down. So let me cancel. You can actually add in all these things here. Okay, so all these are the options over here. Or you can put some call to actions. You can actually put text. Click here. Okay, you can actually put text. Okay, you can actually click to a link here. Okay, so if you want, you can actually add a call to action or automation. You can put this well as well. So you can click this link or press here. So it's like a card. Okay, it's like a card over here. Okay, so all these things you can actually change. Or you can actually embed your custom code, lead generation form. Okay, so you can actually choose, ask for phone number, you can uncheck it, or you can actually uncheck ask for a company name. Okay, integrate with MailChimp as well. Okay, you can actually configure over here. So after this, you can actually do custom poll. You can actually add in your questions and your options over here, and you actually have a timer as well. Okay, so all these things you can actually play around. Okay, or you can actually promote a playlist as well. So the next thing which I'm going to do right now is I'm going back to the main screen itself. So you can actually press over here. Okay, so this is the demo one which I actually did earlier on. It's actually saved under the folder under my name. Okay, so I'm going to show you where you can actually find your video which you actually record. Over here, library, you can actually go to video and documents. Okay, so there's actually tons of videos assets over here. The one we actually create automatically is over here. Okay, it's actually under my name. Just click into that. This is the video which you did earlier on, which is actually 1 minute 18 seconds. Okay, so in any case, you click on the 3 buttons. You can copy your URL, edit, share, delete, analysis, or actually clone it. Moving down the sales page itself. For library, you actually saw the sales page template which I showed it to you earlier on. There's actually 3 sales pages, so this is where you actually find your sales page as well. So in any case, if you want to create your new sales page, you can actually click onto here. So moving down, your library is actually the teleprompter script itself. There's actually teleprompter scripts as well. So you actually create a scripts. So while you're actually recording, you can actually enable the teleprompter. Okay, so you can actually put in your you can actually create your script also here. Okay, which I actually done. You can put in your script names, actually visible to who. You can actually share with everyone. You can actually add a tag. Actually add your script here. Okay, unable to show it to you because I do not have the camera there. It's actually very easy. On the video screen, there's actually a prompt for you to actually enable the script. Then you can actually choose your scripts. From the library, moving down is actually a template builder. So what is actually a template builder? You can actually fuel your sales growth by adding some live to your video communication with Hippo Video Template Builder. Okay, so there's some template builder we can actually create video sandwich. Okay, perfect your video pitch or send holiday greetings. So for this demo, let me show you this thank you video. So it's actually pretty simple. So you can actually choose different type of templates. You can pick your thank you theme. You can actually choose over here. The first one is actually way for gratitude. So this is how it looks like. Or you can actually choose the other one, token of appreciation. So this is actually how it looks like. So the third one is actually right down the thankful lane. So this is how it looks like. In any case, you want to choose this, just press this. And then right now, you can actually record your personal video or import from the library. So this is actually the recording video, which I did earlier on, the demo one. Okay, then just proceed. So right now, you can actually put in your greeting message, or you can actually add in the background music. Okay, this is actually one of the music. The second music over here. Or this. Or else you can actually import the library, import image as well. So let me just choose tipping my head. And then greeting message is sharing thank you. Okay, and then you can actually get the video rolling. Okay, right now they're actually doing the video. So give them a while while it's loads. When it's done, I'll get back to you. See you later. So right now the video is actually done. Let me show it to you. You can actually do a preview over here. You can add in the customer name. Maybe just put in David. Okay. And then you can actually preview the video itself. Let's click into this. And then you can actually wait for a while the video is loads. Just press play. So this is how the video looks like. Let me just speed up the video itself. So that's it. This is actually the video, which is a thank you video itself. Okay, so it's actually pretty easy. And right now you can actually send this video as an email, or you can actually set up a campaign, which I'm going to show it later on. All right, right now I'll just press exit, going back to the main screen and sharing you more things as well. Okay, now it's actually the people where you can actually add your contacts over here. So you can actually create a context right in over here. So right now I actually want context. You can actually check under last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. You can actually add more people manually here, or you can actually import when via CSV, via Zapier or Google Contacts itself. All right. Okay. So moving downwards is actually the campaign, which I'm going to show it to you now. Okay. So if let's say you have different type of client or different type of products, you can actually create a campaign. Okay, so by creating a campaign is very simple. You just click into here, create campaign. Okay, so it's actually step by steps, which I'm going to go through with you. So right now for the first steps, you just press proceed. Okay, so you can actually add in your thank you video earlier on, or you can actually choose the demo video. So let me just choose the demo video, press save and next. So this is actually your demo video. Okay, so right now you can actually personalize your video. Let me show you how you can actually personalize your video. You can actually add in a text as well. Maybe just say hello. You can actually change the fonts, the size, okay, the position, the bold. You can actually put it italic as well. Okay, so in image, you can actually add the image as well. Add image over here. This is actually feedstock image from Pixel itself. Let me just choose maybe flower image, and the flower over here, then press import. Okay, so this is actually your flower over here. So you can actually add image over here, or you can actually add website image as well. So you can actually say this, you can put in your website name and put in your personalized image. So this is actually the function which you can actually use. Is pretty impressive. Okay, so this you can actually set this when you are under campaign itself. Once you personalize your video, press save and next. So this is actually the sales templates which I actually showed you earlier on. Actually template 1, 2 or 3. So right now just click into the first one, and then you can just press save and next. Okay, so they are actually previewing your sales page, and you can actually edit at your end. So right now the video is actually been done. So what you're going to do next is actually just press save and next, or you can actually edit the template. Just press save and next. Okay, going through. So right now what you're going to do is actually you can actually choose your email service provider to distribute this campaign. You can actually choose email marketing, or you can actually choose Google or HubSpot, which is actually coming soon. Let's say you choose email marketing software. There's actually tons of email marketing software over here. So you can actually choose any of them, and then just click onto this and just press save and next. So right now you can actually choose how do you want to render your video, under personalize or on demand. So for this demo, let me just choose on demand and press save and next. Okay, so right now you can actually review your campaign before you can actually send it to any of your client itself. Okay, you can actually copy the code and you can actually send them via email. Okay, so this is actually the email merge tag. Just copy the code. So once it's done, this is actually the campaign which we did earlier on. So moving downwards, you can actually see the testimonial. So you can actually create your testimonial campaign. This is actually the same as the campaign which you create earlier on. So for this demo, I will not show it to you. So it's actually very similar to how you actually create your campaign over here. Okay, so right now under user management, there's actually a few things which I actually can go through with you. So under user management, you can actually invite your team member over here. Very easy, just add in their email password, give them a role. You can actually save it over here as well. Okay, so this is actually how you do your user management, and then also setting as well. Okay, so for settings, so you can actually do some integration, which I'm going to show it to you. You can actually have Shopify, HubSpot, MailChimp, Outreach, okay, free fresh chat, Zapier, Outlook, Gmail, Slack, Google Slide. So there's actually tons of integration over here. You can actually take a look at here. Okay, moving on, you can actually do your branding as well. You can actually put in a company logo, player watermark, and favicon. And then you can actually put in some subdomain and custom domain. Alright. So to keep the video short, I'm going to end this review, because it's actually pretty long review. So I really apologize on that. So I hope you actually have a better understanding on how to use this Hippo video itself. So right now what I'm going to show you is actually the price itself. So this is actually an appsumo deal. Okay, for tier 1 it's actually 59. We actually have all the feature. You can actually have all the feature above. And you actually have one user, 200 GB bandwidth, and 25 GB storage. So for tier 2 for $99, it's actually access to all pro plan access. You can actually have 2 users, 400 GB bandwidth, 100 GB storage, custom domain, and people tab. So for the third tier, it's actually $199. For 5 users, 1 TB bandwidth, 250 GB, you can actually have custom domain, people tab, user role, team report, advanced video reports. So there's actually tons of things which you can actually get it from $199 itself. And remember, this is actually a lifetime deal and one-time purchase of $199. So for this Hippo video, I really recommend you to get this plan for third tier, where you actually have all the features, tons of features at the price of $199. And one more thing which I need to remind you is this deal is going to end in 3 days time. So if you want to get Hippo Video, remember to get the third tier and get it before the deal ends. And remember, this is actually a lifetime deal itself. Okay, so if you want to buy this Hippo Video, remember to use my link in the description box. So it comes to my end of the review for Hippo Video. I also hope you learn something from me. And if you want to see more software review, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next review. Meanwhile, take care. Goodbye.